Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. Today for our birthday challenge entry number 9 is from Lena, and I'm not sure that I'm pronouncing that correctly, so it looks like Lena to me, so I could be wrong. I'm probably pronouncing it incorrectly, but look at this cute little bag it was in. That is so adorable. Very pretty. So this is her entry, and she wrapped it in some tissue with the hearts, and then look at this cute cherry ribbon that she used. Sorry guys, that's not gonna, I've tried to take that off. I was making something and I was using paint, and yeah, so my hands look dirty, but they really aren't. So we're gonna open this up and look at her embellishment box. I'm so excited. So that ribbon is so cute. Look at that. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Is that not encouraging or what? I believe that is 100% true. So it says handmade by Lena, Honeycomb Lane Crafts, and I'm going to look for her YouTube channel and link it in the description box. So I'm not going to use this. I am actually going to post this here in front of my table, because I have to remember that every day. Thank you so much, Lena. That is so true. Love it. Thank you. Okay, look at this, so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she sent me a note. Let me read the note, guys. People call her Lena, so I am going to call her Lena. She just it's an about me note. Thank you so much for sharing that with me. I tend to not do that, and I have one written out. I don't know why I don't just print it and send it off like that, but I don't. She chose a pink embellishment box. How cute is that? I just love those colors. I just love those colors. I believe this is from Prima, I believe, from last year, but I think. I just haven't seen it in a whole year, if that's what it is. So this is the cutest little box, guys. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this little box. That's so cute. Thank you, Lena. Okay, so this is her box, and it does say handmade at Lena, of course, Lena, Honeycomb Lane Crafts. And let's see what she's got in here, guys. She's got all these pretty pearls. There's a couple of different pink tones. There's a like an off-white pearl in there, or color. Those are really pretty. That looks gorgeous together. And then on this side, she's got a couple of safety pins. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness. Look at these beads, guys. Those are almost translucent with the, solid center. Those are so pretty. Thank you. I like those. I really like those. And then on this side, she's got bling. She's got, the bling with the adhesive on the back. And then she's got these bling pieces, and I don't have any more of these. I had some last year, and I think I used them all. So they come in various sizes and colors. Very pretty. Thank you, Miss Lena. And then on this side, she has got, look at these big giant beads. Look at these great big giant beads. Oh my goodness, they are beads, guys. Those are pretty. Oh, look at the white flower. Iridescent. How pretty is that? She's got a ribbon rose. She's got some, she's got a tassel. Here's another button. I think that's a button. Yeah, that's a button. And then she's got the little satin bow. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm going to turn this one probably into a charm. And then the little strawberry. Look at this other bow. Oh, how pretty. Those are gorgeous. And then she's got a little teddy bear. How cute. And then she's got a purple flower. Oh my gosh, look at this popsicle. How cute. Kiwi strawberry popsicle. That is so cute. And then another button. Those are pretty. And she's got a rainbow. And I can turn this one into a charm as well, a dangle. And then she's got this really pretty blue rose. Very pretty, ma'am. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the goodies. And guys, look for her link in the description box. I'll probably be able to find it. So Lena, thank you so much for sending in an entry. I appreciate you so much. Guys, thank you very much for dropping in, and I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a good day, guys.